Want to keep your favorite Telegram stories saved directly to your gallery? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through saving Telegram stories straight to your computer. No third-party apps, no complicated workarounds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly grab any story from Telegram and keep it handy in your own folders for offline viewing, sharing, or safekeeping. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Telegram on your desktop. This process works best on the desktop version rather than mobile, since it gives you much more control over where your files end up. Take a moment to browse through your contacts or channels and find the story you want to save. Maybe it's a funny update from a friend, a beautiful vacation scene, or an important announcement you want to reference later. Whatever it is, make sure you've actually opened the story, not just previewing it in the timeline. Click on the story so it pops up and you're looking at it in full screen. You want to have the story completely open before moving on. Now, this is where things might feel a little technical, but I promise it's easier than it sounds. With the story open, simply move your mouse pointer over the story itself, then give it a right click. That's your ticket to a whole bunch of extra options. Right-clicking is like saying, hey, what else can I do here? And in this menu, you'll see an option that says Save As. This is the magic button that we're looking for. Go ahead and click on Save As. You'll notice a little window pops up. This is asking where you want to save your file. It's a good idea to take a second here to choose a location you'll remember. Maybe you want to drop it straight into your main pictures or gallery folder, or maybe you have a dedicated folder just for Telegram saves. If you haven't made one yet, this is a great time. Just hit New Folder if you want to keep things tidy. By choosing exactly where to save, you're in full control, especially if you like to keep your downloads organized and easy to find later. Once you've chosen the right spot, you can give your story a special name if you want, or you can just leave the default. Sometimes, if you're saving lots of stories, naming them can really help you out in the future, so you aren't searching through a pile of randomly named files. Now simply hit Save, that's it. Depending on your computer's speed and your internet connection, the story will download in just a few seconds. At this point, you can go to wherever you saved the file and double-check. Open your Pictures or Gallery folder and look for the story you just saved. If you see it there, congratulations, you've successfully saved a Telegram story to your gallery. From here, you can back it up, share it with friends, or just keep it for your own collection. And remember, if you don't see the Save As option when you right-click, that story might be protected, or it could be a type of content that Telegram doesn't allow downloading. Don't worry if that happens, just try another story or check for updates to the Telegram app. Most regular images and simple stories should save just fine. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to save any Telegram story you want right to your own gallery with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more Telegram tips like this. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, practical tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.